Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylo. So I am going to show you today all my jewelries, like the junk jewelries which I possess, and will also tell you like what it goes well with and all of that. So before going into the video, I am showing you all my collection of the same. Please do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already, and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. So let's dive into the video of my jewelry collection. First thing that you see here is what I have already been I am already wearing. So this is a beautiful beaded black beads with a red pendant kind of a thing. It's not a hanging pendant, so this is the kind of a jewelry which will go really well if you are wearing some kurti or salwar. Even if you are wearing some a little of a round shape, like the one which I am wearing, the round shaped blouse, it will also definitely go well with the traditional Indian wear. I mean, it goes well with saris as well. So this is the first one which I have, and just a point to be mentioned here, I have bought all these jewelries offline. Only one or two maybe will be online, will be the one which I had purchased online. I'll leave the link of the same in the description box below, but others are all offline purchase. Just the motive of showing you is that with these are like when you purchase offline, these were from the very local markets or something from the fair which gets conducted, which put stalls of this junk jewelries and all of that. So the motive behind this is that like showing you what all I do not possess a huge collection or something, but the ones which I possess, I believe it goes well with almost every traditional wear which I have, like with kurtis or salwars or even saris that I have. And also the colors, these are some very basic colors that I have, and you will find these colors in almost every dresses out there which you generally tend to wear in the traditional wear collection. So this is the motive of it. And also these things comes very affordable, like all of this which I'm going to show you, except the ones which I had purchased online mostly, all of these are within 250 or 300 rupees, something of that sort. So yeah, these are very affordable, but it makes you glams up your look when you just wear them with the right dress and the right occasion and all of that. So yeah, this is the first jewelry, and this is the black with the red pendant kind of a thing. So this does not have a hanging pendant, you can even choke it up more. I prefer this particular pendant in this format, like little bit hanging. This has an adjustable bit at the end, so this is the adjustable thread at the end. So this is the first jewelry that I am showing you, which I am already wearing. The second one in my list is that, and this will, you see, it has black, red and golden. So whichever dress, like the dress which I am wearing right now also has a black and a golden combination. So this goes well with this dress also, in spite of having a red kind of a thing here. So yeah, this is the one which you can wear with this kind of a dress combination. So the second thing which I am showing you is here a very gorgeous red necklace. So this is the kind of a thing which goes best with saris. Even the kurtis which are like mirror work kurtis, or even the kurtis which have the thread work, this looks immensely beautiful with this kind of a jewelry. And to pair up with this, I have these as the earrings. These are very lightweight earrings, and I think I got it from the stall, and it was priced something around 250 rupees along with the earrings. So this, you see, is so affordable, but will give you such a glamour look. I'll also insert other photo of all of the jewelries which I am wearing in the you can have a look in that how it looks. So yeah, this is my second jewelry. You see the intricate design of it. I feel that the design is so beautiful that the price is too less considering the quality you get out of it. So this is my second one. And this will definitely go really well with a red colored sari or a red colored traditional wear like salwar or kurti or anything for that matter. The third thing which I have is again a black in color. So this is a necklace which I got. This is again an adjustable thread to the necklace. So this is the necklace with this kind of a pendant which will completely cover up your neck, and these pendants are like the hanging pendants, not too much hang, but yeah, this again will go very well with some like sari as well as kurti, which has the black thing in it, and also a silver border or even a white thing in it will glam up with this kind of a pendant. And to pair up with this, you can have any kind of a silver colored earring that will definitely pair up well with this one. So this is my third one. The fourth one is the one which I got from Myntra. This was amazing. The pendant of it was the one which attracted me so much that I gifted it to my mom. So this is the pendant. You see, there's such intricate design and it's so shiny. It's a silver color, which is, it's bought almost like a year back, and my mom has used it so much. But then even then, you see the shine of it is intact. I'll give you the link of this in the description box below. It was priced, I think, as 350 or 400, near to 400 when I purchased it. You can check the link now. It might have gone up a little in the price value, but then this does not have an adjustable thread or something, but it has a like a kind of a thing hanging which comes still here, almost a necklace, like the pendant will show you here like this. I'll also insert the photo here so you can see. It is like again a wear which goes well with majorly kurtis, because saris need something which I feel the saris need something which needs to be covered, like the neck needs to be covered when you're wearing a sari, so then it looks more beautiful. So this goes very well with kurtis, and this also again you can pair up with some oxidized silver colored earrings. So this is my fourth one. My fifth one is this one, which my actually dad got for my mom, and me and my mom both loves this kind of a costume or junk jewelries a lot. So this is a pair, like complete set which has this kind of a thread and the earrings. This is called as dokara. Actually, the work, if you see, it is called a dokara work, which is commonly prevalent in some parts of the West Bengal. So if you are from West Bengal, don't forget to get this kind of a traditional jewelry. So this again looks very beautiful for any Indian wear. Even this goes well with sari, being such a big and nice pendant. But preferably, I prefer this kind of pendants and earrings with salwar or kurtis for that matter. So yeah, this is my third last from the list, and my second last from the list, that is the sixth, is this one. So this is a nice beautiful pink colored pendant. So this will be like covering your neck like this. I'll insert a photo of all of this so that you can see and have a look. So this is paired up with this kind of a silver oxidized earring, which looks very pretty. If you have something of this color, this looks very gorgeous with sari, because I prefer jewelries with sari which are completely covering the neck. So for this, for the sari, this goes really well, and if you have some sari of this color, it will look ultimately gorgeous. So yeah, this is my second last, so the sixth from the list. And the last and my most favorite is this choker. You see, this choker will stay like this on your neck, and this looks amazing with sari, even salwar or kurtis for that matter. It looks like very elegant. It is a golden and very intricately worked like choker, which can be tied like this. You can also leave it a little loose. It has a band here, and which is pretty much long for any neck for that matter. And you can pair it with any sari which has a golden border, or even this dress which I am wearing. Anything which has a little goldenish tint in it, this will look really good. So that's all about my complete jewelry collection. Hope you liked it, and you saw that I do not have a lot of jewelry collection, but all that I have can be paired up with almost every traditional wear that commonly are available, and commonly the common colors which are available out there. So yeah, that's all about my today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. So bye bye, take care, stay